Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Facebook Messenger not working problem. So if your messenger is not working, we can do a few things actually. So first of all, of course, you can first you will need to go to your app store to check if there's some updates and so on. You're going to type in messenger. And as you can see, it shows open button and not update, so the app is updated already, so that's fine. If you see update, just click on that and your Facebook should work. Your Facebook Messenger should work. Also, what you can do, you can go to your general settings on your phone, scroll down to the general, click on that, click on iPhone storage, and just type in Messenger. And what you can do, you can click on offload the app, and after that you're gonna click on reinstall the app. So it's really simple to do, and after this the Facebook Messenger will definitely work and should work because you just reinstall the app. So if it will work, that's definitely great. And if it will work, just comment down below if it worked for you. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and take care. Bye.